No, I'd rather not.
Ja, ich weiß auch nie mehr was. Oh, ich habe eine Idee.
Free parking?
You expect me to pay just to park here?
Think of it as a status symbol. Parking here says, I have so much money I wasted on parking for no reason.
That is brilliant.
Vielen Dank. Jetzt haben wir die Münze. Jetzt können wir die Münze dem Ringwerfer geben.
One ring toss, please. Here's your money.
Thank you, lad. Here's your ring. Step right up, hook a target, and win!
Ring toss. Sounds fun.
More fun than a warehouse full of barley, my boy. Come on up and try your luck. Well, don't just stand there, sonny. Give it a...
Ring toss.
More fun.
Ach so.
Oh, so close.
What the? There's no way the ring could get around one of those.
Care for another go?
Das ist ja so ein Betrüger.
One ring toss, please. Here's your money.
Thank you, lad. Here's your...
Wird auch nicht klappen.
Oh, so close.
What the? There's no way the ring could get around one of those.
Care for another go?
One ring toss, please. Here's your money.
Thank you, lad. Here's your ring. Step right up, hook a target, and win!
Ja.
I'm not sure how those go together.
Okay.
That won't make it any wider. That won't make it any wider.
Nur wie kriege ich den jetzt breiter? Die Dinger, die sind da einfach zu groß.
My desire to create art has been trumped by my desire to pick up this comically oversized ring.
Jetzt müsste es klappen.
How the devil did you cheated me!
You've been out-cheated, you cheaty cheater. Now where's my prize?
Fine. Here.
Super, jetzt haben wir das Ticket. Können hier rein. Jetzt kann der uns einfach mal kreuzweise den Puckel runterrutschen, denn wir haben ein Ticket. Da hast du.
Read it and weep, cucumber face. One symphony ticket.
What the... Where did you find this?
It doesn't matter and you know it. Now let me through.
Oh, very well. Try not to ruin the entire performance with your blabbering.
No promises.
Zur Garderobe.
Those are some seriously styling duds.
Please present your claim ticket if you wish to retrieve your garment.
Mein Kärtchen. Ich habe kein Kärtchen. Spucknapf.
Just so we're clear, if I need to reach in there to solve a puzzle, I'm giving up. It's a bunch of random papers. I'm not sure if any of them are useful. Keep it brutal.
Until the bone worm takes us.
Okay, hier ist es dunkel.
I shall call him Lenin's McNoface. Why would somebody make a ladder this short? Wait a minute. Gnomes must be real.
Genau, das wird es sein. Was hatten der jetzt damit? Ah, jetzt kriegen wir die andere Flöte.
What are you doing over there?
Oh, me? Just admiring some fine musical craftsmanship.
I've got my eye on you.
Ja, ja, locker bleiben. So, jetzt können wir, glaube ich, die Schlange beschwören gehen. Dass so eine gute Idee ist, ist halt fraglich.
Hey, this cobra knows good music when he hears it. I am not a smart man.
Kelvin, are you there? What's your status?
My status? It's good.
Great. What progress have you made?
Well, earlier I won a rigged carnival game, and just now I put a cobra in my backpack.
No need to be a smartass, Kelvin.
I'm not. I really did those things.
Wow, that's much worse. Kelvin, please stop handling venomous things and start saving the world, okay?
I'm on it.
So, jetzt haben wir eine Kobra. Was sollen wir mit einer Kobra? Was könnte man mit einer Kobra machen? Vielleicht will ja einer tauschen. Die Frau kam aber sehr
Those are some seriously styling duds.
langsam hoch.
Please.
So, hier hast du dein Ticket.
I don't recall you checking any garments.
Sounds like somebody's got a fuzzy memory.
So, jetzt haben wir...
This is super classy, but I'd still look too young in it.
What do you want me to do with that?
Will er vielleicht Geld haben?
Oh, please. If you had enough money to bribe me, I'd have let you in already.
This is super classy, but I'd still look too young in it.
Okay, wir sehen zu jung aus. Wir haben noch einen Hammer, Münzen und jetzt sowas. Kommen wir da noch mal rein? Eigentlich ja, oder? Ja.
Oh, it's just one guy? I thought there were going to be tubas and stuff. Shh.
Ja, ja.
It's locked. Yeesh. I'm just going to leave that up there. No way am I picking that up. Ah! Cloth snake! Okay, yep, that is rope. No, not to brag, but I think it'd look better on me.
Ja, was könnte man jetzt noch machen?
Is this mop made of human hair? Well, sure is. Oh, yuck. Behold the perfect snooty disguise! Boom! Just call me Lord Kelvin. Wait, I think that's taken.
Nun denn, Lord Kelvin, lasst uns gehen. Fällt auch total nicht auf. Sehen Sie, ich bin ein Lord. Man hat den Mob da jetzt aber auch gar nicht gesehen, also ich nicht. Er war sehr schwer zu sehen.
Good evening, smelly door person. I am filthy sausage smoker Abraham von Frohman, and I demand admittance into this cosmopolitan beer hall.
Good evening, Herr Frohman. Please come right in. Wait a minute. Have I seen you here before, Herr Frohman?
What? No, nope. I am visiting from Schnitzelberg.
My mistake. Enjoy your evening, sir.
Vielen Dank.
Kelvin, come in. Kelvin, why are you dressed like that fancy peanut?
I use the power of disguise to sneak into an upscale bar.
Oh, wow. I'm so glad you've prioritized drinking over the impending doom of the universe.
2 birds with 1 stone, Lise. I have it on semi-decent authority that Beethoven is somewhere in this bar right now.
Well, hurry up and get him back on track. The system's detected another temporal disturbance. Lupin's still at it.
You can count on Abraham von Frohman.
Who is that?
It's me. I invented a brilliant pseudonym to complete my disguise.
Ugh, whatever works, Kelvin.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, friend. Take a seat and try your luck against the reigning champion.
You want me to arm wrestle that Jack dude? No chance!
Au contraire, mon ami. No. Not arm wrestle. Pop, shaker, Brock, uh-oh.
You mean rock, paper, scissors?
Yes, that one. That is the one right there in the middle.
What do I get if I win?
You get the most best prize in the world. Beer.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's do this.
Okay, als erstes nimmt er Papier. Dann Schere. Mhm.
You lose.
What the? Did you just shoot me? Oh, maybe this is what that fortune teller was talking about.
Ah! Looks like someone's never played tournament rules before. Come back when you've studied up, kiddo.
Okay. Papier. Huh.
Well, give me the strongest thing you got.
The Molaskia, sir? I'm afraid that particular drink requires a prescription.
Whoa. How come?
The last few patrons to order it experienced some ill effects.
What, like a stomachache?
They imploded.
Cool. I'll take a needlessly elaborate cocktail.
Outstanding choice, sir. I'll prepare you my signature drink, the Ardalan Samimi. The September issue of Snobbery describes it as acerbic yet plummy with subtle hints of lavender and beef. You're really gonna like this.
Baller.
Okay. Jetzt haben wir ein Getränk.
Welcome, sir. What can I get you?
This cocktail's great, though it's a little light on the beef.
I appreciate the feedback, sir. A mixologist seeks always to better his craft.
Beer me, barkeep.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. We only have one beer left, and it's reserved for the winner of the rock, paper, scissors tournament.
One beer?
Yeah, that ornery composer over there has been drinking us dry.
I'm good for now.
I am at your service, sir.
Der launische Komponist. Was machst du hier?
What business do you have with the shuffler?
Looks like somebody needs a drink refill.
The shuffler is awed by your observational prowess.
If I bring you a drink, will you let me borrow your cards for a few minutes?
The shuffler is not one to make promises, but perhaps.
The Kelvin will see you later.
The shuffler does not appreciate your mockery.
Bitte?
Did you have business with the shuffler?
What? I just gave you a drink. You said you'd let me borrow your cards.
The shuffler recalls no such drink. And no such bargain. You must remember, sir.
You're a tricky one.
Das kriegst du noch zurück, du. Ach, da ist ja Beethoven.
Nice. Looks like a party. What's the occasion?
Occasion? Bro, please. You don't need an occasion to pound the brews with your bros, bro. Now come on, bro. Join us in a broast.
What?
A broast, bro? A bro toast?
Sure. Let me go grab a mug.
Vielleicht kann ich das Getränk auch mit dem
Welcome, sir. What can
Betrunkenen
I get you?
tauschen. Der hat ja einen.
Another Ardalan Samimi, if you please.
Coming right up.
Keep that plummy hogwash away from me.
Okay. Mit dem kann ich hier wahrscheinlich mit dem auch nicht anstoßen.
Hold up, bro. You can't toast with that. It might break. Glass everywhere, bro. Total party foul, bro.
Gut, gut.
Excuse me, sir. Are you Ludwig van Beethoven? Sir? Ludwig?
Er ist taub.
Sir, are you Beethoven?
Who are you? What the places do you want? And speak up!
What are you working on there? A world-changing musical masterpiece?
This is no music. It's a poem to help me soothe my pained and withered soul.
Oh, can I hear what you've got so far?
I close my eyes and scream. It does not reach my ear. Music is like a dream, one that I cannot hear.
Yikes, maybe stick to instrumentals.
Say again?
I said that's really deep. I am here to help you write your next symphony.
Ha! There will be no next symphony.
Why not? You're so good.
Perhaps you failed to notice, but I can barely hear a thing.
I did notice. When did that happen?
Hours ago, I was accosted by a wild-eyed shrub of a man. From some infernal horn, he flooded mine ears with a terrible, screeching tone. Now, the only sound I hear clearly is that of this damned mug striking the table as I drink my misery away.
Wenn ich dem das jetzt gebe.
I don't think that will work. How the heck did you get in here? You don't meet the dress code at all.
Easy. I've been in here since before they had one.
When did they start?
I don't know, 4 years ago?
You, sir, are a legend.
Cheers to that, brother.
I better be careful with these. I'm pretty allergic. I'm getting hives just looking at it.
Erdnüsse, okay. Was haben wir hier?
Nah, knowing my luck, I'd hit Beethoven and end the world even faster.
Interessant.
I'm not sure how those go together. I'm not sure how those go together.